The fourth rule of reason is renounce certainty. Throughout history, there have been many ideas that many people felt certain were true but now have been shown to be false. Centuries from now, many of the beliefs that people today feel certain are true will by then probably be proven false. So, since history has shown that the feeling of certainty seems like an unreliable gauge for determining truth, the Logos Party renounces the feeling of certainty. For the Logos Party, certainty is an intellectual vice that prohibits progress and prevents us from seeing the flaws in our own beliefs. And a member of the Logos Party wants no barriers in the way of seeing the flaws in their worldview. As Voltaire allegedly wrote, doubt is uncomfortable, but certainty is ridiculous. The fifth rule of reason is revising your beliefs is okay. Our beliefs often change over the years, many times without us even realizing it. A Logos Party member believes that their worldview could always be better, so their beliefs are always in progress. For that reason, it is not only okay to regularly revise our beliefs, it is expected. The sixth rule of reason is place the burden of proof on yourself. A Logos Party member does not wait for someone else to put the burden of proof on them, they put it on themselves. They do not expect other people to provide credible evidence for their views while holding themselves to a weaker standard. They believe everyone is responsible for being able to objectively verify the credibility of their views, at least if they claim their view on an issue is an objective truth. The seventh rule is nothing is sacred. Everything, from religions to political ideologies to cultures, sports teams, and anything else, is considered sacred to somebody. So if something was not challenged because someone else considered it sacred, then nothing would ever be challenged. It is ironic that the word sacred is almost the word scared, because people who call one of their beliefs sacred are probably afraid their sacred belief could be wrong, and they hope the label of sacredness will protect that belief from being challenged and exposed. In the Logos Party, the closest idea to being sacred is the idea that nothing is sacred. Therefore, everything should be relentlessly challenged, especially our own views. The eighth rule of reason is truth is more important than hope. Hope is necessary for the world, but truth is more important to the world because truth is what fixes problems. The fact that something gives a person hope does not confirm that it is truth. Something does not have to be true for it to give a person hope. It only has to be believed to be true. Often, a painful truth can cause hopelessness. The Logos Party tries to first find truth, no matter how painful, and then figures out how to find hope within the context of reality.